Ever feel stuck in a financial rut? Need a little breathing room to tackle that unexpected expense, dream vacation, or finally smash those credit card debts? We've all been there. That's where personal loans can be a game changer. But with so many lenders out there, navigating the options can feel overwhelming. So, if you've been eyeing SoFi for a personal loan, you're probably wondering, what's the minimum I can even borrow? Because let's be real, not everyone needs a 5-figure loan. Well, buckle up, because that's exactly what we're diving into today. We'll break down SoFi's minimum loan amount, explore some factors that might affect how much you qualify for, and even discuss some alternatives to consider. Now, before we get down to brass tacks, a quick heads up. SoFi offers a variety of loan products, but for today, we're focusing solely on their personal loans. So, if you're looking at student loan refinancing or mortgages, this might not be the exact info you need. But fear not, those are topics for another day. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get to the good stuff. SoFi's minimum loan threshold, the big reveal. So, how much cash can you get your hands on with a SoFi personal loan? In most states, the magic number is $5,000. That's right, if you need at least $5,000, SoFi might be a good fit. It's a solid starting point, especially for those smaller consolidation projects or unexpected car repairs. Here's the thing though, there's a catch, isn't there always? While $5,000 is the advertised minimum, SoFi says on their website that some states might have higher requirements due to local regulations. 3. So, to be totally safe, it's always a good idea to check with SoFi directly to see if your state throws you curveballs. Why SoFi might say no, even if you meet the minimum. So, you're in a state with a $5,000 minimum, perfect. But hold on, there's still more to the story. Just because you meet the baseline doesn't guarantee loan approval. SoFi, like most lenders, considers a variety of factors before saying yes or no. Here are some of the biggest ones. Credit score, this is a biggie. A strong credit score shows lenders you're a responsible borrower and are likely to repay your loan on time. SoFi doesn't advertise a specific minimum credit score, but generally, the better your score, the better your loan terms will be. Think lower interest rates. Income and debt-to-income ratio. Lenders want to see you have a steady income that can comfortably cover your loan payments on top of your existing bills. Your debt-to-income ratio, DTI, shows how much debt you owe compared to your income. A lower DTI is ideal. Employment history, showing a stable work history gives lenders confidence in your ability to repay the loan. Loan purpose, SoFi might be more likely to approve a loan for debt consolidation or home improvement compared to, say, a vacation. Beyond the minimum, exploring alternatives. So, what if you need less than $5,000? Maybe you're looking for a smaller personal loan or a different type of financing altogether. Here are a few options to consider. Credit unions. Some credit unions offer personal loans with lower minimums than traditional banks. They might also offer better interest rates, especially if you have a good relationship with the credit union. Peer-to-peer lending platforms. These platforms connect borrowers with investors who directly fund loans. Minimum loan amounts can vary, but some platforms cater to smaller loan requests. Line of credit. A line of credit is a revolving line of funding, similar to a credit card. You can only borrow up to a certain limit, but you only pay interest on the amount you use. This can be a good option for ongoing expenses or unexpected needs. Wrapping up. So there you have it. The minimum loan amount for SoFi personal loans is $5,000 in most states, but remember, approval depends on your overall financial picture. If you need a smaller loan, there are alternative options to explore. No matter which route you choose, make sure you shop around, compare rates and terms, and only borrow what you can comfortably afford to repay. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.